Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Dickinson, co-founder of Nanogirl Labs and Toyota New Zealand brand guardian.
I'm thrilled to be driving the awesome new Toyota bZ4X, their very first fully electric vehicle. With an active family, one thing I need in a vehicle is the ability to drive in lots of different conditions. What I love about the bZ4X is that there are 3 off-road features that come as standard and are super simple to use. X mode, downhill assist control, and grip control allow you to enjoy confident stability and excellent driving performance across a variety of conditions, from everyday driving to rough, snowy, slippery, or even muddy surfaces.
To engage X mode, simply push the button while stationary or while driving less than 20 kilometers per hour.
Press it again to toggle between snow dirt mode and deep snow mud mode. Your selected mode is shown in your multi-information display. Snow dirt mode is ideal for low-speed driving in slippery road conditions, such as snow and ice, unpaved roads, and challenging terrain like riverbeds. If, while driving in normal mode at speeds below 20 kilometers per hour, one wheel starts slipping, just press X mode and select Snow Dirt. This will enhance grip and help move the bZ4X forwards. Deep Snow Mud mode is a good choice when driving at low speed on muddy mountain roads with deep snow or other surfaces where the tires may become buried. Selecting Deep Snow Mud mode sends power evenly to all 4 wheels to power the car forward in a controlled way.
Whichever mode you select, you can count on the extra safety and convenience of Downhill Assist Control, or DAC for short.
DAC engages automatically on downhill slopes, maintaining a constant low vehicle speed so you can let your feet off the pedals and focus on steering. The DAC icon will turn green to tell you when the system is operating. Grip control ensures a smooth and steady drive, whether you're climbing uphill or conquering challenging terrain. It's all about maintaining control and confidence, no matter what the conditions. With X mode activated, simply press the grip control switch. Push the switch up or down to choose among 5 speed levels. To deactivate grip control, simply depress the brake pedal and stop the vehicle. With seamless integration and intuitive operation, X mode, DAC, and grip control greatly enhance the rough road capability of your all-wheel drive bZ4X, ensuring complete peace of mind on varied road conditions.